Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hands up.
Oh, I forgot a treat for Aisling. I'll stop on my way home. Hello, Kira.
Hello, Joe.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, what a mess.
Oh, Aisling will love this.
I don't think so.